How has your lenders' terms changed in this market? Man, Leon Finch, you are concerned about this market. Are the lenders more stringent or more willing to lend with higher rates? Yeah, so the thing about lenders is in order for their business model to work, they have to lend money, right? So there are, lenders don't necessarily become more stringent, right? Like 2008 was, hopefully the last crisis ever that we have to experience as a nation based on bad loans. So it's not like banks will lend on things now that they wouldn't previously. They're pretty much stringent all the time now. I think the only variable
Avenue, I hear you, radio fine.
are the rates. They need to lend money in order for them to make money. So everybody's incentivized to make these things work. It's just a matter of, can the asset that you're buying sustain the cost of financing? If not, then it's time to find a new asset or a new area. If yes, then business as usual.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.